can go ahead and get into my makeup. So I've really been loving using the Water Fresh tint from Chanel this summer just because it's so lightweight and it really does give you a really beautiful, even glow on the skin. It really looks like skin, and honestly, such a beautiful, beautiful product. Highly recommend. I really want Chanel to come out with some more shades in this product just so more and more people can enjoy this product. But you can see how it just kind of really nicely just even out my skin tone, and it still looks like skin. And I feel like this is such a great product for makeup beginners or people who want to get into makeup but don't quite want to look like they're wearing makeup or just want to go slowly. Really a great product to kind of just get into makeup. I know it is pricey, but I feel like it's worth it. So once I have that on, I'll just go in with some concealer. This is the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the shade Cinnamon. I love this shade because it's a little bit warmer than my skin tone, so it kind of acts as a little bit of a corrector and also concealing. So I just kind of put that on any areas that I want concealed, like under the eyes, a couple of blemishes around the face, and then a little bit around my mouth since I do have a little bit of darkness there. And now I'm just gonna go in with my It Cosmetics foundation brush and just kind of lightly blend that in. And this concealer leaves a really nice natural finish on the skin. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the new Mob Beauty bronzer that they sent over to me. This is the shade M78. It is a really nice cream bronzer. I can swatch it right here on the back of my hand for you. Really pretty, warm brown shade, perfect for my skin tone, and it blends like a dream. Watch this. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora 47 brush to just blend out that bronzer. It blends out seamlessly, so easily, and just leaves you a really nice, beautiful bronze on the skin. And now I'm just gonna pick it up with the brush to kind of go a little bit faster. And I can pretty much kind of just call this like my go-to summer beat. This is what I've kind of been doing, just wearing a really lightweight skin tint, and I've been wearing this one quite a bit. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my current favorite. This is the Tower 28 Beach Please blush in Power Hour, a beautiful terracotta bronze color. I can swatch it right here for you. Actually, I put that right on top of the bronzer. Here it is. Perfect terracotta bronzy shade for tan to deep skin tones. It's like a nude, I feel like, for our skin tones. So pretty. Look at that. And I really feel like these don't really dry down, but I don't find them to be extremely dewy or like sticky feeling on the face. They leave a really nice, like, I guess kind of semi-dewy finish on the skin, but they don't feel like heavy or anything like that. I love this formula. Beautiful. I'm going to set my concealer with the Saie Air Set in the shade Medium. I've really been enjoying this setting powder. It is really nice and easy to use because it doesn't leave much pigment on the skin. It kind of just sets it ever so slightly, and there is a sheen to this product, so it keeps your skin looking really nice and glowy. For eyes, I'm just gonna go in with the Bare Minerals blush in Kiss of Rose and just kind of sweep this over the eyelids. I love this as a blush, and I just kind of want to use it on the lids today. It has a really pretty sheen to it, and it matches the blush that I already have on my cheeks. And just to kind of give my eyes a little glow. And I'm not really super careful with this or anything. I just kind of go in with it for the eyes. Brows, I'm going to go in with the Patrick Ta Brow Shaping Wax. And I'm going to activate it with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, what is it called? Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And I'm just going to go in with my spoolie. Raise the brows up some. Now I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas with the Milani Weekend Brow. I recently purchased the Refi highlighter. This is their shade in Topaz. I think they just have one shade in this. And I squirted some on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna swirl it around, pick some up here, highlight the cheeks. This is a lot like more emollient than I thought it was gonna be. And I'm still getting used to like the formula of it, but I do like how it looks on the cheeks. It gives you like an extremely wet looking highlight, which I think is really pretty for, you know, certain types of looks. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. This is the Byredo Astronomical Mascara. I love the packaging, super chic and cool. And I'm just gonna put a couple coats of mascara on here real quick. Lastly, for lips, I'm gonna go in with the new Fenty Beauty Poutsicle, and I have mine in the shade Zesty Bestie. I've been liking this product. It's really nice and hydrating, and it leaves the prettiest stain on my lips. It's the perfect color for summer. It's a really pretty coral shade. I'm just gonna set my makeup with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. And makeup is done. Now I'm gonna show you how I refresh my crimps using the Amika Deep Tide Waver and the Ceremonia Oil Mist on Aloe Vera. I have really been loving this product. It leaves a really nice shine on my hair. I'm not gonna crimp like my entire head again. I'm just gonna focus on these front pieces to kind of just bring the crimps back to life. First, I'll go in with the Ceremonia Oil Mist on Aloe Vera. It smells beautiful as well. And I'll just spray a couple pumps of this on my hand. And then I'll just kind of go over the parts of my hair that I'm going to be refreshing. Put the excess on the rest of my hair. And I do focus on at the roots as well, just where I have like some flyaways and stuff. I'm going to go ahead and just grab this front piece of my hair and recrimp it. And you can see how that already brought those crimps back to life, and they're very shiny due to that oil mist. I really do love how it makes my hair look and smell. And I do feel like it kind of prolongs the style just because my hair doesn't hold styles very well. But I do feel like that oil does help. And I'm just gonna do these two front pieces just because I don't feel like doing this on all of my hair, just because I'm trying to avoid a lot of heat on the rest of my hair, and I don't feel like the rest of my hair really needs it. It kind of just needed it right here in the front. I'm just gonna kind of like that. And I'm going to pop on my overshirt and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna throw over this beautiful green shirt that I got from Mango over this black tank top that I have on, and I have on a little black tennis skirt and some black sandals, and we're ready for date night. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time.